Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to fix couldn't compress in CapCut. If you're going through couldn't compress error in CapCut, then here are some steps you can try and follow. The first thing to make sure is that you are using the latest version of CapCut. So go ahead and tap open your App Store or your Play Store and search for CapCut in it. Once you find the application, tap on the update button if available. Ensure you're using the latest version as updates often address bugs and improve performance. Make sure to visit the App Store or the Play Store to check for available updates now and then. Once you update your application, you might be able to fix your issue. But if it still doesn't work, the next thing to do is to optimize your video resolution. Launch Open CapCut application and open up a project. Now, go ahead and tap on the pixel drop-down at the top right after you've made necessary changes for the video. Choose the lower resolution such as 720 or 480. Once you are done making the lowest resolution selection, you can now export the video by tapping on the arrow at the top right. If the video resolution is very high, you might not be able to compress in CapCut, so you can always try reducing it before exporting. If the problem still persists, then you can clear the cache and data from the application. Go and launch Open your device's settings menu. Once you're inside settings, scroll down and tap on General. Now tap on the storage option where it says iPhone storage and look for CapCut in the provided list. Select CapCuts from the list and then tap on Offload app. Once you offload your application, reinstall it again by tapping on the Reinstall app button, which will then clear out the cache and data from your application. Also make sure to ensure that your device has sufficient storage space for the compressed video. Check your device's storage settings and delete unnecessary files or applications, and that might be able to fix your issue. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're going through couldn't compress issue in CapCut application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.